Ready to unlock the power of seamless online payments? Let's dive into how to snag those essential Stripe API keys. First, head over to Stripe's website and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create one. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand side of your dashboard and click on the Developers tab. This is your gateway to all things API. In the Developers menu, you'll see a submenu, and near the top you should see the option API Keys. Click on that. Alright, you're on the API Keys page here. You will find two main types of keys: publishable and secret. Your publishable key, as the name suggests, is safe to use in client-side code. Like on your website, this is your key that you can share publicly. Now, your secret key is like the master key to your Stripe account. Treat it with utmost care. Never expose it in client-side code or share it publicly. Keep this in a secure location like a server, and only access it from trusted environments. To reveal your secret key, you'll need to click the Reveal Secret Key button. Stripe might ask you to authenticate again for security reasons. Once revealed, copy the key and store it securely in a password manager or on your server. You might also need to create a secret key by clicking Create Secret Key. If that's the case, enter the secret key name and click Create. So, what do you do with these keys? You'll use them to connect your website or application to Stripe services. The publishable key initializes Stripe Pays on your front end, enabling secure payment form creation. The secret key is used on your server side to process payments, create charges, manage customers, and more. And that's it. You now know how to get your Stripe API keys and understand their basic usage. With these keys in hand, you're ready to integrate Stripe's powerful payment processing capabilities into your projects. Happy coding!